What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Red Dead Redemption 2 Ultimate Edition on your PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and after that I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now once you have done that, we need to locate this game first on Steam before we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website, and after that we are searching for the game Red Dead Redemption 2. Now, if you scroll a little bit down, then you will see that Red Dead Redemption 2 Ultimate Edition is €99.99. That is very expensive for a game. But what you need to do is follow these steps and you will be set up within a couple of minutes without overspending. So, the next step is go to the video description, and there will be a link which says find game here, and then you will click on that link and now you are redirected to this webpage. What we will do now is search for the same game Red Dead Redemption 2, select games on the left side, then sort by price lowest first, and then we need to scroll a little bit down because we need to look for a PC version which can be activated in our country, so this text needs to be marked green. Now once you have found one, select it, and as you can see, this is the Ultimate Edition, so the edition of €99.99. But on this website you are already able to buy this game for just €11.72 instead of the price of €99.99. So this will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now once you have purchased this game, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam to download this game on Steam, but much cheaper. And now you are able to play Red Dead Redemption 2 Ultimate Edition, but much cheaper. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!